Slow walks, soft moments, just strolling through this beautiful garden, letting the greenery do its thing. The air feels fresh, the vibe is peaceful, and this little mini pond, so calming, so grounding. Honestly, moments like these remind me to slow down and just be. Soft afternoons in the garden, when the sun sits a little lower and everything feels calm and unhurried. We're picking fruit straight from the tree, climbing up just to reach the ripest ones, feeling the warm sunshine on our skin and a gentle breeze through the leaves. Hands in the soil surrounded by fruit trees, birds humming in the background. This is my kind of luxury. Slow moments, nature doing its thing, and feeling deeply rooted in a place that continues to raise us. After a long afternoon in the garden, hands tired but heart full, I let the day slowly slow down, fruit picked, soil brushed off, and that quiet calm that only nature gives. As the sun fades, the night wraps around softly, and I end the day curled up watching Love and Wine, a South African story that feels warm and gently romantic.